Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Shreyans SRS421 printer on a Windows computer. To install this printer on your computer, you will require its a driver. I will show you which driver you will require and where you can download it from. And after that, we will see how to install it. So please come on the screen. This is the driver that you will require to install this printer on a Windows computer. So please download this driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there, or you can download it from its official website. I have also given the official website download link in the video description. After download, you just need to double click on that to execute the setup file. Once the installation wizard has been appeared, click on install, and it is installing the drivers now. Click on OK and click on yes. Here you need to connect the USB cable of your printer and the power cable of your printer to make sure the printer is turned on and ready to print. Now click on the second last option, CH421C, and install. Click on install. Click on OK. It is asking to choose the right port in the printer properties. Click on finish. Go to the printers page and check whether your printer has been installed or not. Click on start button and click on settings. After that, click on devices and click on printer and scanners. As you can see, the printer has been installed with the name of CH421C. So this is how you can install this printer on a computer, on a Windows computer. If you like my efforts in this video, please hit like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.